Hi, today we're looking at Burger King's brand SERP. It's lovely. It's got its restaurants on the map pack there. It's got a lovely knowledge panel. It's got some people also ask. It's got some stories and some images of burgers. If you like burgers, that's delightful. But today we're going to be talking about this aspect of the brand SERP. I'll tell you more in a moment. In the meantime, if you're interested in brand SERPs and knowledge panels, please do search my name, Jason Barnard, the Brand SERP Guide, to find out more about brand SERPs and knowledge panels. Now, here they're called a fast food restaurant company. That's really specific as a subtitle in a knowledge panel, and to show you just how, we look at Domino's, and it's just a restaurant company. Now, that's probably because Google have understood Burger King better than they've understood Domino's in the knowledge graph. It isn't a value judgment on the quality of their food. Thank you very much.